Get out of here, frag. Yeah, I'm actually not. I mean, well, let's just do some analysis. I will say that the structure itself is pretty, doesn't look that great. Yeah, I know. Wind short setup. I know. Might be about that time. Might be that time. Anyways, okay. Let's analyze. So, since yesterday, basically, I guess I haven't been on mic in a while, so let's just talk about some stuff that happened. Some developments. Get rid of this stuff. Okay, a few things that happened. Some not so great for me. First thing is, I did manage to buy this dip, um, but I sold way too early. So I kind of bought here, and I closed most of my position on FTX here, I think, and I think I closed Bybit even earlier, unfortunately. So a lesson here is essentially if I get myself a good dip, it's important to let it run for a little while. At least let some of it run. So fortunately, I didn't make as much on this as I should have. That being said, I still made some good money. Then what happened is when we came down for the retest here, I bought. I started buying like here, unfortunately, and then it was like 3 in the morning my time, and I was tired, and so I capitulated for a small loss here. Good lesson here. The retest of the lows is just so common, and it's important to not get, you know, don't get scared. So I wrote that down in my journal. But yeah, basically I sort of chickened out. I think I just wanted to go to sleep too, unfortunately. Anyways, it ended up running, obviously, took out these highs in one candle and just kept going up. Um, so then what happened? Yesterday I got this scalp in that I posted on Twitter, I think. Um, let's see. Yesterday I got this guy in. That was probably one of my better trades in a while. I took this on Bybit and FTX. I closed the Bybit one as a scalp, like I don't know, 57.4 or something, 57.5, and then I think I closed the FTX one somewhere up here. Um, since then we sort of started. We hit. Look at this resistance hit right here with the bodies of those candles. If I wasn't so scared of shorting, honestly, that would have been a great short. You can see the same thing happen here too. So you sort of hit resistance, you wick through it one, two, three, four times, and then eventually retrace. On the hourly, you just kept wicking through it, but then eventually it just died. So then we hit here, same thing. You look back where these levels are coming from. They're actually pretty old, but they're being respected very well. Here you can see there's the origin, that one, origin of this one. I think you can kind of see their relevance better on the hourly, but yeah, you can sort of see where these are coming from. So, anyways, yeah, I mean, I guess I could have shorted yesterday, but I do feel like I don't know, trying to guess a top is dangerous, and I just didn't want to play that game. And I still don't regret it. It's fine. I closed my longs. I feel good about that. Anyways, I just jumped in a long. Um, hello. Did I go through the rationale for the long I posted on Twitter? The one I just jumped in right now? Yeah, 1 second. Let me. Okay, well, that was fun. Hold, please. Thanks for playing. We just hit. We're hitting this level right now. So I got out on Bybit. I'm still on my FTX swing. Little swing, little swing long. The Zilliqa. Oh no, those aren't the Zillios. These are the Zillios. Hold on, I'll get real close. I still don't have my nice mic set up. Also, you can hear the girlfriend in the kitchen. Yeah, these Zillios switches are so nice. Honestly, they're worth the hype. Damn. Oof. Mamma mia. This is actually hilarious. Why don't I show the FTX? Because I'm not actively trading on FTX right now. It's basically the same as my Bybit stuff. Also because I basically like lost, if you read the postmortem, I lost like 50% of my net worth from really bad trading. So I only just started taking positions on FTX a couple days ago again, and they're about the same as my Bybit positions. They're a little bigger, but still. Um, yeah, that's pretty garbage. Hold on. I will show FTX again someday, but right now I want to basically focusing on trying to win trades, working on my consistency, trying to trade responsibly, and I don't need to stream both of them. This is oh my god, ridiculous. Yeah. All right, hold on. Managing too many things right now. Jesus Christ. Oh god, I don't think I should have started this, to be honest. Uh... oh my god. All right, fine. Yeah, fuck that. Oh my god. Stop it! Oh my Jesus. I don't know, man. Maybe we're going straight to 58. Mark's a little behind, but still. All right, I'll go in here for a quick little something. Put a stop. Second. Are we having fun yet? What is going on? That's a great question, Blackbird. Yeah, I have no answer. We trade a scam market. Open interest. I'm just gonna play a quick game here because I think this is pretty ridiculous. But it could just blast through, right? I mean, these things are known to just take off sometimes. So like it's not impossible that it just goes straight through 58. Mark price is still pretty in line with derivatives. So I actually don't, it doesn't, it's not like this is just derivatives. I saw a bunch of Coinbase bids coming through as well. If we look at open interest real quick, if we look at open interest, yeah, Bybit aped into this hard. So these kind of open interest spikes, especially ones that are just driven by insanity, like what we just saw, almost always retrace. Now that doesn't mean we can't blast through, but I wouldn't be surprised if this open interest spike retraces in the next hour or two. This Shanghai switcheroo. Oh, do you want to just see FTX? Yeah, okay, well, hold on. Is it ridiculous? Can I just do all of them somehow? Ah, yes. Quality. Ridiculous. Anyways, let me see what Coinbase did there, yeah. There. Oh, I can't because it's not futures, of course. There SEC news. Is there news? Check that out. This came out June 10th. Has this been updated? XXT. Anyways, anyways, anyways. Twitter SEC investor Pelosi just bought some Bitcoin. Oh, they just retweeted it. Before investing in a fund that holds Bitcoin futures. Wow. Before investing in a fund that holds Bitcoin futures contracts, make sure you carefully weigh the potential risks and benefits. What are they doing? What are they doing posting that? What is they what what? Funds trading in Bitcoin futures. Uh-huh. Let me open that up here so we can all look at it. I don't understand. Funds regulated under the investment company, blah, 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 are required to provide important investor protections. For example, funds must comply with legal requirements related to value. I'm not following. Why you can't? I mean, I guess you can trade regulated CME futures, but why? What are they doing posting about? Who is this for? Who is this bulletin for? What? Yeah, exactly. Albany, exactly. What is the SEC trying to like? Who are they? What is going on? Uh-huh. Funds regulated under the Investment Company Act of 1940 and its rules are required to provide important investor protections. For example, funds must comply with legal requirements related to valuation and custody of fund assets. Mutual funds and ETFs must comply with liquidity requirements. These protections apply to all of the fund's holdings, including holdings of Bitcoin futures contracts. Some funds may engage in the trading of Bitcoin futures contracts as one way to gain exposure to Bitcoin. Investors should understand the positions in Bitcoin and Bitcoin futures contracts are highly speculative. Okay. Funds that buy or sell Bitcoin futures may have unique characteristics. I don't understand. No, there's no one who's trading regulated Bitcoin futures who's like doesn't know this. And the people who this is targeted towards are the people like us who are trading. Yeah, what a scam. Amazing. The people who this is targeted towards are people trading like on Bybit and shit. And those funds are not regulated. I would look for is this like alluding to potentially approving an ETF? But what does an ETF have to do with futures? Can you LTC news? Where, oh, is it more news? Anyways, I'm not following. Ridiculous. I don't get it. Oh, like the LTC news. Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't. Yeah. So if this is a news-based pump, then this is very fadeable. Unless it's actual ETF news, anything else is a fade. First ETF will be futures-based. I see. It's a futures-based. I guess that makes sense. Yeah, I don't know enough about how ETFs work, to be honest. Holy shit. Okay, well, that's about to trigger. What the actual fuck is going on? I do not understand though, because this article was written on June 10th, right? Like, yeah, I would just chill at this point. This is a chill time. Why isn't Sheeb pumping? Because Sheeb doesn't have an ETF coming. That's why. Sheeb and Bitcoin even Bitcoin are probably not. Uh, they're very inversely correlated most of the time. It seems. Anyways, I guess everyone thinks that means an ETF is coming. Okay, that changes everything. No need to think, just buy, apparently. Well, all other analysis unneeded. Hold on a second, I gotta get the door. All right, yeah, so no future, no analysis needed now. Just ETF. But if we were to do analysis, basically, yeah, I mean, at this point, I think there's a reasonable chance we will should at least hit this resistance, I think. Depends on if this is just to sell the new, but at this point, I'd say don't fade this. Yep, I'm just gonna chill. I've still got my FTX position. Gonna let that thing go. See how high we can run. That's it. I'm gonna get back to Teal Street. We're working on TradingView integration right now. All right, guys. Peace. Be safe. Don't fade the ETF news. Bye.